To create a shared album on Google Photos, open the Google Photos application, tap on the collection here, select this plus icon, select album, give a name to the album, tap on this select photos, then you can select photos that you want to include, add, and then tap on this tick mark here. So an album is created. Now select this share option. You have different methods by which you can share this album. You can either create a link by tapping on this option get link, select continue. So once the link is created, then you can send the link by using applications such as WhatsApp or Messenger. Just you have to open it, then tap on the box here and then select the link and then send it. The next thing that you can do is tap on this share icon here, and if you have saved contacts with Gmail account, you will get suggestions here. So you can directly select those contacts and then select add. So what happens is a request will be sent to the other person, and when they open the Gmail account, they will be able to view the shared album. If you want the other person to include their own photos and videos in the shared album, then tap on these three dotted icons here, select sharing, go to sharing settings, make sure that you enable this option collaborate. In this way, the other person can add their photos to the shared album that appears in their album also, and that also appears in the shared album which is present in Google Photos in your device. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tips.